Ways to use affiliate marketing to your advantage. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative business that you can do without leaving your home. You must be knowledgeable of certain aspects of affiliate marketing to be successful. The following tips have been used by many experienced affiliate companies to make their programs more successful. To know what works and what does not, keep track of the emails that you sent. Use a professional email program to see who opened your email and who clicked on the link. You might need to work on the title or presentation of your emails to generate more interest. Track and analyze the exact source of every visitor to your affiliate links. By doing this, you can identify which marketing techniques are bringing in visitors and, more importantly, where visitors with the highest conversion rates originate. You can then concentrate your time and money on only the successful marketing techniques. In order to run a successful affiliate marketing business, you have to attract the right consumers to your website. Writing videos that are relevant to the product or products you are selling is an efficient way to do this. For example, if you are promoting natural health remedies, post videos on your website about arthritis, the benefits of natural health remedies, or how garlic can ease joint pain. Consumers looking for information that pertains to the products you are sponsoring are more likely to pull out their credit cards and increase your monthly sales. With this video, we hope you have learned how you can start or enhance your affiliate program to increase your bottom line. Stay on top of new marketing information as it comes to light in order to remain current. Use affiliate marketing to earn extra income, in addition to the income you are already receiving for the product or service you are currently offering on your website. This way, you accomplish two things with one effort. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.